In this video, we are going to see how we can centralize the specific text or the complete document text as a whole in the middle of the page automatically. So this is a pretty straightforward process here, guys. What you have to do is just select whole text by pressing Ctrl A on your keyboard. And then you want to head over to the Format tab, from where we choose Align and Indent and make it center. Now it's your choice if you want to justify it from both sides. You can do this as well. But in this specific case, we just wanted to centralize all the paragraphs and text as a whole. But let me just specify the justified as well, because this is a very useful feature as well, that you align it exactly in the same line or in the same alignment on both sides. That is the purpose of justified. But that is how you can centralize or justify the page in the middle in Google Docs. Also, if you want to increase the page capacity, you can choose the whole document just by pressing Ctrl A, and you can increase the page capacity just by holding these ruler points, and that is all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.